Hop a day, Team JRM. Did you know that 62% of sexual assault victims throughout the Department of Defense experience some sort of retaliation in the workplace after filing a report? Retaliation comes from various forms to include professional and social retribution, as well as adverse administrative actions. Retaliation has no place in our armed forces, nor in our community. Further punishing a victim of sexual assault is unacceptable and must be confronted and challenged alongside the crime itself. We must change the culture surrounding this issue in order to protect our fellow service members and co-workers by having the courage to step in when we see this occurring. Bystander intervention isn't limited to stopping an assault from occurring. It is everyone's responsibility to step in if they see someone being mistreated. Victims of sexual assault must not fear being punished from having a crime committed against them and for speaking up. They must and will be treated with dignity and respect. Remember your core values of honor, courage, and commitment, and continue to look out for one another. Hoo-yah, and keep charging.